Guys, welcome back to the hack store. And as you guys know, the Apple iPhone 6 and 6s isn't compatible to your iOS running 13. So this is a really good information for you guys. So without further ado, let's get right into the video. So guys, this guys claims that he's running iOS 13 on his iPhone 6. As you guys can see, the model name is iPhone 6, and he believed that he can run iOS 13, and maybe he have more updates soon. And you can see he's running iOS 13, and I will also put the link of his Twitter account below in the description. He's running iOS 13 on iPhone 6, and here you can see also the proof. And he believed that he's running iOS 13. So, and here you can see he's showing that messages here dark mode enable on his iPhone without jailbreaking. So thank you guys, this was the really short information for you guys. And I hope that you can also install iOS 13. Once this guy updates, I will be making videos on this. So thank you guys. If you're new to my channel, make sure you subscribe my channel, and I'm out. Peace.